Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to explore the latest innovations in artificial intelligence. And today is the day when we are going to compare four different artificial intelligence tools that can help streamline your work process and boost productivity. Let's dive right into them. So, the first one is the Fireflies. Fireflies is a tool that helps to automate your meeting notes. With Fireflies, you can easily invite their note taker to your meetings on your calendar, and it will automatically record and transcribe your meetings across various video conferencing apps such as uh, dialers and audio files. It even integrates with the apps like Google Meet, Zoom, Teams, WebEx, Ring Central, Aircall, and many others. But that's not all. Fireflies also offer AI powered search, which allows you to review a 1 hour meeting uh, in just 5 minutes. So you can filter and listen to a key topic discussed during your meeting, making it easy to stay organized and focused. So, which is a very good feature. You can analyze meetings using conversation intelligence. You can collaborate with your co-workers, and you can do a lot of stuff on it. So basically it is here to automate workflows from meetings, and it is not free. You can request its demo on request. For that purposes, if you want to enjoy this or try this product, you can simply go to the link which is provided on the in the description of this YouTube video. So moving to the next product, next we have AI Intern, which is a tool that helps you to skip the grind and focus on the big picture. With AI Intern, you can efficiently complete research, generate quality content, and quickly respond to a wide range of questions. This tool uses AI powered assistance to create any type of content imaginable, including text, articles, stories, emails, social media posts, reports, financial reports, project summaries, sales and marketing reports such as HR reports, and many more. So, goodbye to the tedious task and hello to more free time to focus on what matters the most. So, this is a very unique and amazing tool. You can do the creative task as well. And this was the things which these were the things which I was talking about. In the text, you can have the AI powered assistants in articles, stories, email, social media posts. If we talk about the coding, you can write codes in Python, Java, C++, C hash, JavaScript, and Swift language. And if we need to do translation, it can translate text from English to Spanish, French to English, Japanese to English, Chinese to English, German to English. And definitely, if we talk about the financial documents, it can help you to create any kind of financial reports, financial summaries, financial projections, investment agreements, and loan agreements. So this is a very unique application, and this is a real productivity tool which you need. So for 1 month you can enjoy its free trial, in which you can generate reports up to 50,000 words and with up to 15 images. You can write up to 50 code blocks, and you will have a long form content support. Okay, fine. For the individual space, you have to pay $12. For workspace and large teams, you have the higher amount. So I think it's pretty much fine. You can use free trial for 1 month. So this is a very unique. So far, I have been exploring a lot of AI based products. So no one is offering free trial for 1 month. So if they are offering you a 1 month free trial, so you should give it a try. Okay, so moving to the third one, which is a Gene AI. Genie, basically, it's a Genie AI powered summarization tool. It helps for the research. So now let's talk about Genie, a tool that helps you to research faster and smarter. With Genie, you can automatically summarize background readings and produce blogs, articles, and reports faster than ever. You can add, organize, and manage information with ease and store documents in customizable projects and folders. Plus, Genie AI powered summarization and keyword extraction capabilities allow you to find answers quickly and efficiently. According to the user review, Genie enables them to work more productivity and find greater answers and insights from their work. Definitely, this is a very huge tool. It should have done that. That's huge plus for everyone looking to streamline their research process. So, if you like this product, well, apart from this, it is on the top three in the product of the day. So, very unique AI based product I have came across. So, okay, if you want to have its basic version, you can have it in 4 pounds, and if you want its pro version, you can have it in 16 pounds. So, in the free trial, you can import, view, and summarize PDFs and web pages, and you will have the document management and file storage system. And okay, very fine. But in the premium version, you will have the everything in basics, but 70% higher quality. Okay. And you will have the access to the GPT-3 world and okay, very fine. So I don't think so. These are the these have the major impact. You can go with the basically with the basic plan just for the try purposes. But this is a very unique and amazing tool. So moving to the last but not least, we have NanoNets, a tool that puts your business process on autopilot with artificial intelligence. Oh wow. With Nano Nets, you can uncover valuable insights from any document and automate repetitive tasks with artificial intelligence. Powered workflow, imagine having more free time to focus on and growing your business while NanoNets takes care of all the tasks for yourself. It's truly a game changer for entrepreneurs and the small businesses alike. Okay. So in this tool, you can scale your business performance to the 10x, and you will have the supply 30% faster order processing time, and you can revolutionize the healthcare efficiency with the report summarization. And basically it's related to your business, and it will definitely benefit your business in the automation process. So if you want to request a demo, you can click here on a request a demo, and link to this tool is available in the description of this video. I hope you have liked this video, and in this video, 4 amazing artificial intelligence tools that can help you streamline your work process and boost productivity were discussed. Whether you are looking to automate your meeting notes, generate quality content, research faster, or automate repetitive tasks, these tools have got you covered. Be sure to check them out and see how they can benefit your business today. Thanks for tuning in. Do not forget to subscribe my channel. And if you need any more details, or